Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to book your GRE exam date. First, you need to create an ETS account on the official website. It is crucial that your personal information, like your name and date of birth, precisely matches your government-issued identification. This step is vital to avoid any issues on test day. Once your account is set up, you will select whether you want to take the GRE general test or one of the specific GRE subject tests, depending on your academic goals. Next, you will decide on your preferred testing method. You have the option to take the GRE at a designated test center or from the comfort of your own home, which offers flexibility. Utilize the search tool on the ETS website to explore available test dates and locations that are convenient for you. When making your selection, consider your study plan and personal availability to ensure you choose the best possible date. Once you have identified a suitable date and location, you will select your specific test time slot from the available options. After confirming your choice, you will move to the payment section to complete your registration. The fee for the GRE general test is generally $225 in most regions, though this can vary slightly. Ensure all details are correct before submitting your payment. Before finalizing, take a moment to carefully review all your registration details to ensure accuracy. After successful payment, you will receive a confirmation email containing crucial information, including your test appointment details and important instructions for test day. With your exam booked, you can now fully focus on your preparation, familiarizing yourself with the test format and content to achieve your best score.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.